If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves working with textured, one-of-a-kind fabrics, you're in the right place. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, where every fabric tells a story, and every bundle is hand-selected to spark your next creative piece. Each week, I release a brand new play bundle every Tuesday and a sneak peek every Thursday so you can plan ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, our first piece is a boucle. It's a stone colored. This is stone colored. Nice texture. Look at that texture. That's gorgeous. See that? This is the back. There's no coating on it. This is an upholstery piece, but there's no coating on it. That's the, see if we can get a better angle. That's how thick it is, okay? And it's relatively soft. So let's do the needle test. Since it is an upholstery piece, I'm using a size 8 embroidery needle, and I'm using 3 strands of embroidery floss. And as you can see, no problem at all, okay? So that's our first piece. Another close-up. All right. Our next piece, this is 100% linen, and this is a sheer, so keep that in mind when you're working with it. You can clearly see my fingers right here, okay? So this is see-through. Has a typical crispness that you would expect in 100% linen. Okay, a close-up of that. Either side works. Okay, and again, this is a sheer. Okay, that's stone colored also. Okay, this is a cotton or cotton blend weave. It's kind of a basket weave. I'll give you a close-up. Okay, kind of a mid-weight. That's a good angle there. That's the edge of it. This is the back. There's no coating and pretty good flow. This is mushroom colored, so it's a little darker. Okay. Next piece, mushroom colored faux leather. Let me give you a close-up of that. Nice texture. Kind of an embossed design on it. Let's see if I can get a better angle. There. This is the thickness of it. Has a felt type backing to it. And let's do the needle test. Okay. And you expect to have a little bit of resistance with leather or faux leather, but it's definitely workable. Keep in mind that when you're sewing with leather, once you put a needle through, that little hole is going to stay there. So make sure you're sewing exactly where you want, because you're not going to get a second chance on it. Okay? There you go. And our last piece, this is a stone colored, kind of a lighter grayish stone colored velvet. Give you a close up of that. Very pale color. There you can see the texture of it. Put my fingernail through it so you can see. So it's definitely not a, it's a short pile, but it's not, it's thick still. So when I run my fingernail through it, you're not going to see the base fabric at all. Okay, that's what you want. That's the back of it. Seems like there's a little bit of a coating. There's a thickness. So let's put the needle through it. And no problem. Okay. That's that. It's the texture. And this bundle, well, let's put them on next to each other so you can see them. You may hear a little noise in the background. My furnace just kicked on, so that's what that is. I thought I was going to be done before it kicked on, but I guess I didn't time it quite right. But okay, this is all of them together. And this bundle is our Mushroom Stone Hues. Mushroom Stone Hues. Each play bundle is a small burst of inspiration. If you want larger cuts or companion fabrics, explore my foundation and curation bundles linked below. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access to new releases, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this week's Play Bundle. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media, slow stitching, and fabric collage. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.